Just thought I'd do a little update of the grow box and show you where everything's at. There's the pot of coral bells, of course. They're doing just fine. They just got some water. There's another coral bell there. Now this guy right here is the interesting one at the moment. This is my second intruder. I haven't done much to show what's going on with this plant, but have no idea. I would ask if anybody knows, but I haven't had much luck with that on here. I think nobody's actually watching these videos. And then of course back here is the first intruder. Got some peppers growing on it. Doing just fine. Looking pretty good, actually. I haven't let it grow any more flowers. It's just a little plant. I'm not sure if I'm going to move it outside or not. Still haven't decided. And there's the alpha coral bell down there chilling. I could also show off this right here, I suppose. I haven't actually showed this. Just move this guy out of the way. So this is where my friends live. Those are springtails, and we have a mutual understanding. If I cut some leaves or anything, any plant matter that gets trimmed or lost, like something falls off, I chop it up and put it right there. Every now and then I lift this thing up and put a little water, because that's what they like, and close it back off and just let them have it. And they do all my composting for me right here in this pot. Let's put that back. It's just a chop and drop compost, basically, and the springtails break things down and put nitrogen back into the soil. I never have to put fertilizer into this pot. It's a self-contained thing. These are all doing very well. They're all making new growth. These are going to go outside actually pretty soon. It's still not ready yet. The weather here is a little bit untrustworthy. So we've still been having nights in the 40s. So that's still too cold. Maybe another few more weeks. And they will be going outside, and this is going to free up a lot of space. And I'm still not actually sure what I'm going to do. Anyway, there's the update. Thanks for joining me.